It was all manual. Texting customers, for me personally, is very time consuming, and it was all just kind of all over the place. LeadTruffle's helped with that tremendously. People will text at like 10, 11, 12 o'clock at night, and it handles everything. I run the Auto Llama. We're a mobile auto repair. We specialize in brake service. We do mobile repairs at customers' location. The majority of our leads come from Google. So you're getting a lot more customers from ChatGPT. God forbid a customer texts me at 7 o'clock at night and I'm done working for the day. I'm not going to respond. And then we were just leaving too much money on the table. Leads weren't being followed through with in adequate enough time. They were going elsewhere because nobody was getting to them. They would get lost in the funnel somewhere, or I was just the bottleneck, to be honest with you. Like, if they want to schedule, there's the lead on your desk at 8 a.m. Hey, they want to schedule. Here's their address. Here's their vehicle info. Here's the package they want. They're ready to go. It automates all that for us. It makes the process that much smoother for us and for the customer too. That's the bot taking care of everything start to finish. Used to dealing in home services, but for us, I mean, that's huge. And we're closing between 25 to 30 additional leads per month. Just LeadTruffle alone, that's it.